What is up, everybody? It is Ben from Srkcycles.com, and today I have a 2003 Yamaha V 650. Let's take a look around this thing. This is a little bit of an older bike, 2003, but it doesn't mean it's not nice. There are some marks on this bike that I do want you guys to see in particular. Here on the rear fender, I'm not sure why this is chipped off. It is interesting. This like chrome cover, or not chrome cover, this chrome piece is like the chrome is just peeling off of it. I don't know why that is. Tire seems to be in decent shape. That's got some life left on it. But again, see some bubbling there. The other side is what was peeling off. Other than that though, on the back of this bike, there's not much else to report. The signals are good. Brake light's good. So is this signal. This will obviously be covered by the license plate. With the light is here on top. So if we're coming up over the top a little bit, come over to the side. Got these nice leather bags. They do have the like the frame in them so they don't sag, which is nice. I don't love that saggy look. There's the straps there for the hold the bags down. Here you can see there's some LED lights here. Don't know if they all work, but coming here on the exhaust. The exhaust looks pretty nice. I don't believe that is factory, but if you are interested in this bike, I have a feeling that you know more about it than I do. Coming here on the side panel, there's a scratch there. Other than that though, it looks pretty good. The passenger rider peg and rider floorboard. Here on the engine bay, everything is pretty clean. Not a lot of scratches. There's some light scuffing here. You can see some rust in here in the exhaust. Otherwise the cylinders seem to be in decent shape, and this tank's in really nice shape. There's not a lot to report there. There's some marks up top to look at, but here on the side it's not there. Got the crash bars, big fan of them. Got the fringe for all you fringe guys out there. Coming around here in the front, see the fork tubes, some marking there a little bit, some black marks, not sure what that is. No rust though, nothing getting too crazy. Rotor's looking to be in decent shape. Come up here on the fork, these covers are in good shape. Front signal, auxiliary light, headlight, same on that side, auxiliary light and turn signal. Again, everything looks pretty good on this bike, especially for a 2003. This tire seems to be in good shape. That's got plenty of life left on it. And this front fender, there is a chip right there. I want you guys to get in close and see that. And there's another mark here on the top, but it doesn't look like this bike was down. There's not any like deep gouging or like giant dents or anything. That marking on the rear fender and some light markings here on the front fender with that one chip. Let's check out the fork tubes on this side. They're looking to be in pretty good shape. There's the turn signal and auxiliary light that we already saw. Come up over here. Again, we got the fringe, matching fringe on this side, on the clutch lever, crash bars, engine bay. Engine bay looks to be in pretty good shape. Okay, nothing really to report. We got the floorboard shifter, does have the heel shifter. Ooh, sorry about that. I'm a big fan of the heel shifter. Kickstand. Got the passenger peg. Similar bag to the other side. This one looks to be in a little bit better shape, but again, not sagging, has that frame in there. Side panel looks to be in good shape. I hope you guys check out the test drive video that Sean did on this bike. You're definitely not going to want to miss out. This bike is going to go pretty quick. We're getting into motorcycle season here in Pennsylvania in early April. Anyway guys, this is the 650 of the V-Star. Come up over here, check out the luggage rack. This seat is in really nice shape. I don't know if this must have been right. I would imagine this was replaced. It would be tough for the original seat to be in this nice of shape, unless it was kept inside. And I mean, it does not have a ton of miles on it for 2003. It has like almost 13,000 miles. Coming up over the tank here. Just some light specs. Some slight abrasion here. Looks like from like again, scrubbing, not from anything nasty. You guys can see the controls and the gauges. I got the controls here. And we got the controls there. And like I said, we're at like 12,894 miles. Turn this thing on for you guys. This bike is carbureted. Don't know if I showed you the choke. The choke is down here underneath the seat. Right there. Got it in neutral. And we got the kill switch off. Shut it down so you guys can hear me talk. Give you the full 360 view. There you see the headlight and the running lights are on there. Let's hit those turn signals real quick just to make sure they're operational as they should be. There we got the front one blinking. And we got the rear one blinking. We got the rear one on the right side. And we got the front one on the right side. Guys, here we are. Don't miss out on this bike. Like I said, this is a 2003 Yamaha V 650. And make sure you check it out on the website, Srkcycles.com. And don't miss out on the test drive video that Sean did. Thanks for watching, guys.